This question belongs to theory of computational subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2023. So the question states, consider the context-free grammar G given below. S implies ASB or X implies AX, XB, A or B, where S and X are non-terminals and A and B are terminal symbols. The starting non-terminal is S. Which one of the following statements is correct? So it is asking the language generated by G is. So let us see what happens with each the production rule. We know we have S implies ASB. Then again we can, in place of S we can put ASB. So in place of S we can put ASB B. Then again in place of S we can put ASB. So we'll get triple A S triple B. Which means using this we can have any number of equal number of A's and an S followed by equal number of B's. Okay, but see now we need to terminate it with the x, so we will have e to the power m x b to the power m. Okay, but now see what is x. X can be replaced by ax or xb. So if we replace x by ax, we have a to the power m x by ax b to the power m. Again if we replace it by ax x by ax b to the power m. So initially it was equal, but later on we can remove this equality. So the equality is not at all followed. Okay, so we have any number of a's followed by any number of b's, and we can all here alternatively we can replace a to the power m x by xb also b to the power m. We can replace anytime we can replace x by, here we can replace x by xb b to the power m. Again we can replace x by ax also, ax double b b to the power m. So we can have any number of a's followed by any number of b's and x will be in middle. And what will x be replaced by? X will be replaced either by a or by b and b to the power j, which means it is just a followed by a b. Okay, now we need to check what is the condition, whether null is accepted or not. See, if we write s as ASB, then null is not accepted here. We need to write s as x and x as either a or b, which means null is not accepted. The minimum string accepted is either a or b. Okay, which means x can be replaced only by a and b, which means either m is greater than equal to 1 or n is greater than equal to 1. And if we write the regular expression, then it will be any number of a's followed by any number of b's and x can be replaced either by a or b. So this a plus b makes sure that null is not accepted. Either a or b is the minimum string being accepted. So answer is option B. The language generated by G is a star, a plus b, b star. And as we can write the regular expression, thus it is a regular language. So option D is also correct. Incorrect. The language generated by G is not a regular language. It's false. It's a regular. This is false and this is false. As here null is accepted, and here we can have a b and a, but a b and a is not at all accepted. Like here we can have something like a b, and then we can have an a, but we can't have, we need to have all the a's followed by all the b's. We can't have a b a, something like that. So answer is option B.